Good day, everybody. What up, though? Welcome to my YouTube channel again, Crypto Miners. Guys, this is a channel where I post videos teaching how you can earn money online easy and quick. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post another video on how you can make money online. Guys, this is a very fun channel, and this my video is about another way you can earn money online by just getting multiple clicks in your link. That you create a link, and the more people that click it, the more money you get. Guys, I'm going to show you guys how this is being done. First, you go to your browser. I do use CryptoTab browser, so the CryptoTab browser is what I use. So I'll also be mining too. So guys, you go to ex.io. This is the name of the app. The link will be added below in the description. exe.io. Well, guys, exe.io is the name of this site, and in this site you can earn real money by just making a link whereby people will click, and as long as people click that link, the more chance of you earning money, the more clicks you get from different people in different countries. Guys, here's my dashboard, but before you get to this dashboard you need to sign in. And guys, I just started off recently, but I'm sure that it really works. I just started off recently. I just created my account just now. I just created my account, so I'll be dropping my link right there where you guys can go and join this place. Guys, before you get to this place you need to sign in. Let me log out first. I'll show you guys how you sign in to your own exe.io account. First of all, you will need to create an account, shorten and get paid in 3 easy steps. Guys, here it is. So the purpose of this thing is for you to shorten a link, post it in any social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, but I prefer WhatsApp. I prefer you to use WhatsApp, not other one, only WhatsApp. Guys, you can post your link into your WhatsApp group, create WhatsApp group, anyone, so that when people click it, you're going to have more money. Create an account, shorten your link, earn money. Guys, here it is. Create an account, shorten your link, and earn more money. So guys, you're going to see where to create accounts. And when you want to create, first of all, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. What I mean by Bitcoin wallet is like place where you store your Bitcoin, or where you store your money when you have been paid. So you can download blockchain, Coinbase, any one of your choice. And when you download those, I'll also make a video tomorrow on it where I'll show you guys how to get your Bitcoin wallet, or your Bitcoin number, or you call Bitcoin address. Sorry, how to get your Bitcoin address from your Bitcoin wallet. Guys, I'll be posting a video about that tomorrow. So guys, when you've signed in, let me log in. When you signed in, then guys, please let me just log in immediately. Okay, it's already there. Log in. Okay guys, I've signed in, I've logged in. So this is my dashboard. I just started, so I've not have any earnings since. So this is where you see your earnings. This is where you see your views, the clicks you have, your earnings, and people you invite, and your average earning. This is where you see your average earning. That's just it. And if you have a link you want to shorten in order for people to click, then you come to create link. Guys, here it is, create a link. You click create link, then you paste in the link here. When you paste in the link, you put an alias. You can put, you paste the link there. Seems I just pasted the link. Yeah, click create. It's gonna bring out your oh yeah guys, here's your shortened link right here. Then before you post or before you shorten a link, I have a tips and tricks for you guys that are going to use the link you're going to use in getting more clicks. Guys, before you shorten a link, you search about what people are highly interested in watching. You know, some people are interested in watching latest videos, how that is different things. Like for me now, I used click here now to download latest porn video. Sorry for that. Click here to download latest porn video, and people will like want to click that place that are interested in it. So I shorten my link. Then anywhere I post it, they will most surely click the link. So you guys can just go to YouTube, see what is trending, then copy the link, shorten it, then you post it for people to like click the link. So anytime they click that your link, it will be added in your dashboard. You're going to see it right there in your dashboard. You're going to see it right here in your dashboard. Here you see the views. And guys, you can also withdraw. You can also withdraw it to your Bitcoin wallet, which I've just said to you guys. Here it says important, you must add your withdrawal info before you withdraw your earnings. You can add change or withdraw method in your profile. Then you click your profile so that you set up your profile. Guys, here I have set up my own profile, the name, my address, city, river state, your zip code of your state, your country, your phone number. And guys, here it says for PayPal withdrawal, you must have the minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal is $5. For Bitcoin, you must have up to $8 before you withdraw. For Payer, you must have up to 5, and for airtime, you must have up to 3. So you put the method in which you want to withdraw. But for this video, we're talking about Bitcoin, so we'll add Bitcoin. Then you put in your Bitcoin address. And guys, I said I'm going to make a video on how to get your Bitcoin address with your Bitcoin wallet. Then you click save profile. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. And it says profile has been updated. That's good, profile has been updated. Then you go back to your dashboard. That's just it. Guys, please, if you're enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll be very grateful. Guys, just click the thumbs up button if you love this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I really love it. I'll be very grateful, guys. So guys, this is another way you can earn money. Check this out. Don't waste time. Just shorten the link of what you think is trending, shorten it, then post it to your friend, let them click. As soon as they click it, you get paid, guys. And you can also invite your friends to this wonderful place where you can earn money. ES.io. Guys, I'll be posting a video next time showing you guys where how my earnings have increased. So guys, as I said, I just started this recently. I'll be posting a video later on where I'll show you guys how my dashboard has increased. So guys, make sure you make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, please, and please subscribe to my channel. As far as you watch this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be very grateful, guys. Please subscribe to my channel so that I will know that all my video I'm doing is not for waste. Some people are there that enjoy my video about how to make money online. Guys, please subscribe. Thank you very much.